All right, we're here with Todd from LightBox, formerly known as
EDR.
All right, give us the 30
Thanks,
seconds.
Travis. It's great to be here. I look forward to the show. My name's Todd Elmore. I'm an account executive in the Southeast for EDR LightBox. I still refer to it as EDR LightBox because I support the consulting and engineering solutions portion of the LightBox umbrella company. A little bit behind that, we at EDR were acquired by two private equity firms 2 years ago, Battery Ventures and Silver Lake. Along with that, we are now sister companies to Real Capital Markets, Digital Map Products, Exact Bid, RIMS. So if you look at that, we're looking at how we can support the overall ecosystem in the commercial real estate market. EDR has been around for 30 years supporting environmental professionals with content, data, workflow solutions, and now we have more at our disposal in GIS solutions through Digital Map Products, where people can, we walk down the hall and talk to folks about how they're actually dealing with their GIS departments. So I'll be here all week. Look forward to meeting a lot of people, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to me through my contact information. Look forward to speaking with anybody that's interested in the EDR LightBox.